No, I ain't letting her fight this one.
Oh, that's exactly right.
I thought that's why we put Lisa on a chair.
She can fight this one if she wants.
No.
Yeah, I think she's kind of lost heart now. Like, take this bitch. I don't want it. It's all good. The only point, the important part is that we got a fish on. Look at this sailboat. What's he doing? Hanging out.
Hanging out in the mix.
Away, dopey.
Hanging out in the mix.
Pulling a little bit. Nice.
This is a kayak.
That guy's got some guts out here in a kayak.
Yeah, look at all the sharks that are around. One wrong move, a big boat comes by and rolls you over, and guess what? Yesterday we got hit. Well, we got hit and our buddy got hit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So if that happens, what I want you to do is I want you to take that rod tip and point it straight at the fish, back that drag off like 3 turns and let him run. Okay? Not the release, just the drag.
Right?
You hit that release button, man, it's game over. What we try to do is we try to let that tarpon run, let him run. He can outrun that shark. What you can't do though is if you're fighting him. Just forward a little bit. Trying to get back in with his buddies. You got anything on the bottom, Cap? Pardon? You got anything down? Okay. No, good.
Cruising along down there.
Push it up a little bit, all right? Start turning that handle. Don't worry about pumping when I'm pushing forward to gain your line. Just crank it, okay? We got it back into these boats. I want him right underneath it. So another good little trick is you try to keep, in your mind's eye, you're trying to keep 10 pounds of pressure on that fish the whole time. Okay, so you don't want 50, you don't want 5, you want the same pressure the whole time. So and you do that by keeping your rod tip and the drum nice and steady. Stay off that nose for me, bud. 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. There you go.
He made sure to pull his shirt down.
That's the stiff rod, too. Whew, man, he's putting some heat on you, isn't he?
Nice.
You might should have given that one to your wife.
What?
Down
Well, he was complaining about a 90-pounder before. Now he's going to do it at 150.
Right?
I mean, I'm just saying, stay on your one, stay on your one, stay on your 1 o'clock. Showboating already, man. Look at this guy.
Camera's on, he knows it.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Salmon fight this hard?
No. know.
Oh, he's shaking his head. He ain't happy.
He's probably bumping into other fish. If you start feeling him thump like that, that's him bumping into other fish. Be on top of fish.
This guy's getting his money's worth on that fighting chair.
Tell me, jump.
The angler? Scott, jump. They want to see you do a jump. We haven't seen him yet, so it's going to be a bigger fish.
Must be. He's staying down, isn't he? He's dragging you all around.
Alright, so we're coming back into these fish drops. Feel for that. You'll feel it. It'll be a hard, like a tail swipe. You'll feel it. You got to remember to back off when you're doing that, alright? Headed right for his buddies.
Got yourself a monster?
Yep.
Sea monster, dude. Look at this thing.
Want me to grab this, or do you want to grab it?
It's like a submarine.
No.
Put it back on that thing.
Ain't done yet.
Not quite sure he's done.
Good Lord, look at the tail on that thing.
God, I'm not sure my wall's big enough for a replica.
When he gets close to the boat like that, just kind of try to keep his head up a little bit. When you let his nose go down, he gets a little head of steam. But at the same time, be careful.
Nice.
That'll be fun.
Yep, went and got myself a 300 short mag. Was not expecting that much kick from that guy. Oh man, he's got that thing deep. I see the lead right by his mouth. So pull to your left, pull to your left. Keep the right tip low, down and left, down and left.
And off he goes again.
Okay, this may be a jump run here. I have energy for it, do you, buddy? So he's got that leader really far in his mouth, Scott. So you've got to kind of be gentle when you get him up to the surface. Pull, but try to keep some constant tension, because right now it's sawing back and forth over his teeth. This is the crucial part of the fight. You're tired, the fish is tired, mistakes start getting made. This way. Ooh, calm and collect. And just be prepared for that leader to go ahead and break, alright? So you don't go flipping off the back.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want no shark bites today.
No.
Down and around, down and around.
Oh my Lord.
I get pretty tired.
Go around again, down and around.
as I pull it up, I think.